Can I stop a run, right? Field on the field at you. Are you happy with that? Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Is there anybody around? Any little dogs, big doggies, any doggies?
'Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking at pictures of you, I remember moments and my heart feels like you. You've been a big surprise. My soul now feels alive. And now I know the thrill to fall in love. 'Cause this is real love. I know it's real love. Now I know that we can fly to any distance, anytime. Real love. I'm feeling real love. In your arms I know I feel like home and I'll never be alone. There's a beautiful day outside. If you know how to make it shine, you know that I'll be there for you. Because you're everything to me. I'm finally feeling free. All of what I dreamed and now I find it next to me. I come to understand. This is what I want to share. And that's what happens when we fall in love. 'Cause this is real love. I know it's real love. Now I know that we can fly to any distance, anytime. Real love. I'm feeling real love. In your arms I know I feel like home and I'll never be alone. If you're ever feeling blue and you think there's nothing you can do, call me, I'll be there for you. There's a beautiful day outside. If you know how to make it shine, you know that I'll be there for you. 'Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking at pictures of you, I remember moments and my heart feels like you've been a big surprise. My soul now feels alive. And now I know the thrill to fall. Now I know the thrill to fall. And now I know the thrill to fall in love.
What we're making with it is because of me, this, because we have to chill out when we go out, you know, just sit on nice grass. He loves it, look at him, he loves it. He's happy. You happy, Ted? Teddy! That's it. Michael Jackson's Will. Bum scratch. Your tummy scratch. Oh yeah. I love that, don't you? I love this chest scratched. I'm gonna start molting again, are you soon? They blow the coat once a year and he's not too bad at the moment. Are you? Give you your brushing, yeah. Where's your ball? Ball. You're a good boy. Let me throw it for you. Round them up. Round them up. Round them up. Round them up. Oh, he's a happy boy, ain't you? Sit. Wait. Wait. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, well, a good one. A good try. Right, ready? Mummy says, get ready. Good boy. Steady. Oh, get it. Round them up. So, just keeping my eye on that. Yeah, boy. Oh, you've all screwed. Ready? Oh, nearly. Nearly. Nearly, boy. Fetcher, let's have a look. What have you got? Let me see. Let me see. Playing with a big stick now. See how chilled he is. Do you let your dog like this, guys? If you want a French ring dog, it's alright, isn't it? He's rolling about now, look. He's rolling about with the bloody stick in his mouth, chewing it. Silly dog. What, Ted? Oh, what time is it? I'm sat in a fairy ring of mushrooms, everyone. It's a chilling doggy, aren't you? Look at these little mushrooms, guys. Where are they? Here. Sort of mushrooms of them, everyone. See a close up. Look, see? Ball, where's Eggy Ball? Go and get Eggy Ball. Get Eggy Ball. Where has he got Eggy Ball? You go get Eggy Ball, please. The rubbish, isn't it? I'm sat on all these mushrooms. Where's your Eggy Ball? Go and get Eggy Ball. Go on. Put it in here now. We got a plane. Like it here. Come back tomorrow. Take you out on your big leave tomorrow. He takes off, I take off because he's on my bag. He's yucking on my bag to there, see? Just for precaution. I get him on a small leash now. Yeah, it's okay. Hiya. Ah, it's okay. Little Russell there. Oh, everyone. Jack Russell on Teddy Bedlam TV with Lisa and Ted. Oh, she will scratch you. Come here, get down. She will scratch you if you jump. Oh. Meow, 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 meow. The pussycats, hello. It's like, I'm Teddy. What's your name? It's like obsessed because he's got two at home, but he just loves cats, don't you? Pussycats at home. Won't bite you. He likes to cheer. Come on then. Bye bye, pussycat. Bye.